Have you ever got stuck at one point when you try to do an online step-by-step task, say adding an email alias or trying to find a domain name or anything involved with Google? I have a way to use AI to get you past any hang-up that you have in these step-by-step tasks. I'm Mark DeGrasse, founder of AI Branding Academy, and getting stuck on a step-by-step technical process is pretty common. It happens all the time, which is why companies like Google or Facebook have these giant databases of step-by-step how-to instructions. Problem is, half the time, some of it's outdated, or you're missing a screen, or you just get stuck somewhere. You can actually use AI to get past any of these tasks really, really simply. It doesn't involve any typing even. All it takes is you taking a screenshot and actually loading it into AI to get you past that task. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step process and then what you can do if you actually get hung up anywhere along the way. All right, now there are simple things that you think should be simple, and then you start doing them and you get stuck somewhere along the way, and then you end up never completing the task. So let's say that you want to update your name on Google Maps. I go into ChatGPT. Do not go into Google. Their instructions are usually pretty confusing. And the fact of the matter is ChatGPT is actually going to pull that information anyways. So we're going to say, I want to update my business name for my Google Map listing. Give me a step-by-step guide. All right, so formerly Google My Business. They changed the name because they're terrible at branding. Okay, sign in. Okay, I need you to go to google.com/business. All right, and then I need to select my business. I need to edit the business profile. I need to change the business name. I need to save changes, wait for my review, and check that page. Now, this might not be a perfect, way to do this. I'm going to go to Google My Business. I'm going to open the link. All right, here we go. All right, now I'm going to stop right here and say, I don't know what to click. What do I click at this point? Let's say I'm really, somebody who doesn't use online very often. Even at this level, it could still give you help. So I want you to do at this point, if you get stuck here or any of the points, I'm just going to do a screenshot. So I'm using a MacBook Pro. So I'm going to say Shift Command 4, and then I'm able to just do partial screen. So I'm going to screenshot this. And I'm going to say, I don't know where to sign in. Obviously, I need to click the button sign in right here. Now, this is very simple, but this could be very useful for complicated topics too. So I'm going to say, I went to the URL at step 1, and I don't know what to click. All right, then I'm going to actually upload the picture I just shot on my computer. So I'm going to say add photos. Let me go to my screenshots. And here's my screenshot. I'm going to put it there. And now I'm just going to upload it with the question. So what's doing is AI is actually going to look at this picture and tell you what to do next. So thanks for sharing the screenshot. You're in the right place. The Google Business Profile homepage. Here's exactly what to do next from where you are. Click the blue sign in button at the top right corner. Okay. Now the trick with this is you don't want to navigate away from the screen you screenshot, because then you're not going to know what it's talking about. So now I know, it's right there where it says sign in. Sign into your Google account like you would with your business listing. Okay, now I know I need to go click on the blue sign in button at the top right corner. So that was a pretty easy example, but you can see that it actually looked at the picture. It knows what's in the picture, and now it's telling you what to do. And you can use this at any step in the process. Just simply take a screenshot and you're good to go. All right, there you have it. Very simple tutorial, but this is profound. I've actually set up AI applications and done some more complicated type things. And a lot of times I don't know where to go. You're dealing with a lot of different, tools, a lot of different apps, and trying to figure out how they all fit together. It can be really complex if you didn't have AI. Now you could simply do a screenshot, say, I don't know what to do next, and it will give you exact steps based on that screenshot. So next time you get hung up doing a step-by-step process, just take a screenshot and ask AI what to do next, and it usually has the answer.